Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Subaru Forester. It has the 2.0 liter turbo 4-cylinder EJ20 with an automatic transmission. It comes with 57,000 miles. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors as well and a rear hatch. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number you're seeing down here is the kilometers, 91,732. The miles on this vehicle, again, are 57,000. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.